Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 6. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Right. Let us find. Number 1 is minus 7 by 21 minus 7 by 21, right, and 3 by 9. Another number is 3 by 9. 3 by 9. If we change it to lowest term, that is we are getting 7 on 7, 3 7 21. We are getting here minus 1 by 3. And this number 3 by 9, that is 3 1 3, 3 3 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Therefore we can say that minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3, is not equal to 1 by 3, right? Therefore we can say that minus 7 by 21 is not equal to 3 by 9, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see, question number 2 is minus 16 by 20 and 20 by 25. 20 by minus 25. We change into lowest term, right? That is, if we cut this by 4, that is 4 4 is 16 and 4 5 is 20. This becomes minus 4 by 5. And this one we are cutting by 5, that is 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. That you are getting here minus 4 by 5, right? Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? Therefore minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Therefore you can say that minus 16 by 20 is equal to same as 20 by minus 25, minus 25, right? Now solve question number 3. Question number 3 here is, you say, question number 3 is minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. Here you see, this is minus 2 by 3, minus will cut, we are getting 2 by 3, and it is also 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Both are equal. That is 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore we can say that minus 2 by 3 by minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see, minus 3 by 5. Another number is minus 12 by 20. If we change the lowest term, we are getting 2 6 is 12, 2 10 is 20, 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6. Here is, in this case you are getting minus 3 by 5, right? Therefore both are same. That minus 3 by 5 is equal to this number, that is minus 3 by 5. Therefore you can say that minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 12 by 20, right? This is question number 4. Now let's solve question number 5. Question number 5 is question number 5. In question number 5 you see here one number is 8 by minus 5, 8 by minus 5. And another number is minus 24 by 15, minus 24 by 15. If we cut by 3, 3 8 is 24 and 3 5 is 15. That means we can write it here as 8 by minus 5. That means both are same. That is 8 by minus 5 is equal to 8 by minus 5. And both the rational numbers are same. Therefore, you can say that 8 by minus 5 is equal to minus 24 by 15. This is same. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 is, one is 1 by 3, another is minus 1 by 9. Since 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9, therefore they are different. 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9, therefore 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9, right? Because they are not same. That is question number 6. Now solve question number 7. Here you see, this is 1 by 3, this is minus 1 by 9. They are different from one another. Therefore, 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 9. Now question number 7. Question number 7 here you see is, question number 7 is one number, question number 7. Question number 7, 5, 6, 7. Here you see, one is minus 5 by 9, 5 by 9, minus 5 by minus 9, and this 5 by minus 9, 5 by minus 9. Right? Here minus minus will cut, that will get 5 by 9. And here we will get 5 by minus 9. Right? One is positive, one is negative. Therefore, both the rational numbers are not same. Therefore, 5 by 9 is not equal to 5 by minus 9. Therefore, you can say that minus 5 by 9 minus 5 by minus 9 is not equal to 5 by minus 9. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.